Okay, so this is the episode 7 of the Truth series, and what is the truth that we are going to uncover today? Let's see. Today what we are going to uncover is the truth behind this. I don't know what you could even call it. I will just call it word, okay? There's no system, nothing. This word science, right? So what people have done, so science basically what it is kind of like denoting towards, so like hinting towards, which kind of attracts a lot of independent thinking people, is this logical nature of, right? It's that something can be proved or something can be mathematical and can analyze in that sense. But logical way and science are very different, because science is a deliberate attempt. You understand? It's not just a thinking, like way of thinking, right? It is not just about basically it's not just about like way of thinking and then like okay, everyone can be scientist, right? They have created their own structure around it. So you are not a scientist unless you like look at this way only. You understand? So science is what it hints and what it is actually is very different. Logical nature of thinking should always be appreciated, but science is not logical. Then logical thing will be open minded, right? Any direction I can go and prove it, right? But they have like okay, only under these assumptions it is valid. Just like, and if you go into the origin of science also, science is just like it's another one of these white people exploits. So most of the stuff that these guys are selling, it is just like collection from the different parts of the world. They add their own stuff on top, okay, patent it and sell it. Like look at Domino's Pizza. They were not who invented pizza. Understand? It's a US company. Italian. Most of the you people have not even eaten like a real Italian pizza, which is like the original pizza. It's like they will take like South Indian dosa and put something patent in their name and then sell it to everyone else in the world. That's their kind of like everything. Like even if you look at Netflix, so every country has their own kind of like TV series and all of this. It was already going, but what Netflix does is like they take it, put some of their own stuff, like some violence, some nudity, some of this, and then people will be like, okay, like they figured out some manipulation tricks, how to end the episode so that people have to like go to the next episode and all of this. So they just add all of that, and but the original storytelling is done by the people living in that country only, right? Korean dramas, like Korean actors, Korean director, everyone is Korean. So they're just like middlemen, and business has like reduced to becoming a middleman. Like business can be much more. It's like exchange, right? Exchange of value. Yeah, so I was looking at like so that's what science is actually. So they have collected like a lot of stuff from different parts. So like the concept of like 0 and 1, like all of counting and all of this came from India. Then there is like geometry, which came from like Arabia. Okay, so what they did is like took everything. It's like a museum only, it's like you go and search, okay, so today I will connect these 5 things and make this into my own book. So they collected all of this like similar stuff together and then created different books like calculus, algebra, this and this. There is no unified or there is no base for mathematics. You understand? Because obviously it's like a ship like made from so many different parts, right? And then that's the entire science is based on mathematics only. Because qualitatively, if you look, you can never compare, and without comparison, no experiment can be performed in science. You understand? Because if I look at like just the day as like it's a hot day, cold day. But now we have measurements, right? Temperature, right? Oh, it's 36 degrees. Then you can compare it like one day to like the next day. And that's how, so once you convert stuff into numbers, the game becomes much more interesting, right? And then you have, in a way, you feel like you have more control, because then you can like play the permutation and combination and see like, okay, where is the maximum probability of this happening, right? And everything in science, like I have studied a lot of science, from like till the plane, how it is made, same principle. Optimization that you call, right? So they are like, okay, if I change the gear, how much time it will take for this mechanical thing to signal to go, and then how will it like station at that particular point, right? So it will, everything oscillate first and then settles. It never settles like directly. So how it looks like in the in digital world, right? It's like 0 1 0 1. That's never there in the life. And if one is very clever enough, no, you can look at it like, so even look at this formation of time. So time, even the scientific nature of time, it's not invented by these guys. Now they have given some stupid like radium, iridium, like how much time it defined like second in a very weird way, right? But it was defined in terms of nature first, right? So what do I know? I know the natural phenomenon around me is like cyclic, right? The sun moves in cycles. Everything is like in a cyclic nature. So if I use that measurement and then divide it rather than build it up, you know, so I call it like, let's say the entire rotation, something, any name you give, like you can name it year, like that's how basically you define a unit, right? So it comes from that natural unit, and then you divide it into like a smaller and smaller part, so that you come to like seconds and like more precise, right? But how they have done it is like they first defined the second. So they already assumed like, okay, this is like how my unit will be, like smallest unit will be, and then we will build it up and everything will be like a mathematical model rather than any kind of coherence with respect to the nature around us, right? I think this is like very simple enough. These things are not actually teaching also. These are meant for my like educated illiterate friends, you know, who somehow were only taught like one side of the story, and then they are like completely lost. They think they are like logical and scientific, but they are the most unscientific people. Because if I am proving something you by logic, then you should leave your whatever you're thinking and follow me, no? You understand? No, but they are still like most illogical. They know like science is like baseless. They know every theory keeps changing all the time, but they still is like no. You know? Because it's mostly they are like, yeah, they want pleasures and everything, right, in the world. Like they just want it to they don't want anyone to understand the truth, right? So yeah, okay, this is the 7th one. I will do this series, English one, I will do 20 episodes, and then I will do a Hindi series, which will be maybe similar number of episodes. And yeah, see you guys. Bye bye.